Well, basically, I am a fan of multi-step prompts since 2024, and the idea is to use chats in ChatGPT like agents. Of course, in the paid version, there is similar function, but I like to refine my initial prompt so that I use it for further experiments. I mean, we can rely on the chatbot memory. For example, we try out our first prompt. It's quite long, difficult, and then we are fixing mistakes. And the chatbot, the AI tool, memorizes the right answers. The problem is that we don't have a library of our own prompts that actually work for our project, right? And that's why I have created a Google document where I keep and improve all versions of each of my prompts. And now I'm going to show you the concept of this.
I have a quick access to that file. Here it is, prompts. Here I'm collecting various versions of each prompt, and here is YouTube video publication. For example, I'm experimenting here, and this was, for example, the initial one, my initial multi-step prompt. Then I came up with an idea. What if I try to add automatic chapters? Though I don't upload my video, obviously, and ChatGPT doesn't know the timestamps. However, what if I try to get approximate time for each chapter? And then I started experimenting with basically this step, and I noticed that it doesn't work well, and that's why, for example, I'm describing why it's not appropriate for my goal, and then I'm getting a better version. And in my situation, I decide to let's say implement this part when where I'm describing the mistake and some comments from the chatbot, so that the next time my initial prompt looks better. And that's why I just copy and paste and add some parts to my initial prompt. Here we have a new version of it, and I usually highlight with the green color these parts that I'm adding, let's say my improvements. In this example, I am adding a note, for example. I don't want micro chapters, I want major, visual, plus logical shifts, blah blah blah. And basically this was taken from the chatbot itself, something like that. The idea is to use the same language and be concise. So next time I'm going to use the improved version of my initial prompt, and then try it out for the next video, so that I don't explain the same thing for each video or something like that. Okay, there is the memory function. However, if I have an effective prompt, next time I can use it for I can use my initial prompt, which is becoming more and more effective for another task. So I just copy and paste some parts, major parts, and it works well without wasting time on the same mistake fixing process.